Most men have no idea when a woman wants them. They think she'll just say it outright. But that's not how women operate. She will never admit it directly. Instead, she drops hints, creates moments, and expects you to pick up on them. If you don't, she assumes you're either too slow, too scared, or just not interested. And once she feels rejected, even if you didn't mean to reject her, she's already moving on because you missed the opportunity. So today, I'm exposing 10 phrases women say when they secretly want you, but won't admit it. Most men miss these signals every single day, but after this video, that won't be you anymore. Let's get into it. Number 1, you smell so good. Scent is one of the strongest subconscious triggers for attraction. Women connect scent with intimacy, memory, and desire. When a woman notices and comments on how you smell, she's associating you with something personal. A compliment like nice shoes or I like your jacket is surface level. But when she notices your scent, it means she's already paying attention to you on a deeper level. And here's the part most men miss. Women will not intentionally draw attention to a man's scent unless they want to be closer to him. It's an indirect way of saying, I've already imagined being close to you. 2, your trouble. This is pure excitement and attraction speaking. Women love a man who shakes things up. If she calls you trouble, she's feeling a mix of excitement, nervousness, and curiosity. She knows you're not the kind of guy who plays it safe. She knows being around you means things are going to happen. And guess what? That's exactly what she wants. 3, I don't usually do this, but this phrase is a dead giveaway that she's already made up her mind. A woman saying this isn't debating her decision. She's justifying it to herself. She wants you to know that she's stepping outside of her normal behavior for you. Women don't offer up this phrase to just anyone. When they do, it's because they want to remove any potential judgment from the equation. She's allowing herself to let go of whatever expectations she had before. 4, it's getting late, but I don't feel like leaving yet. Women rarely say exactly what they're thinking, but they do hint at their intentions. When a woman says this, she's giving you an open-ended statement, something that requires action on your part. A woman who is ready to end an interaction will simply say, it's late, I should go. But when she adds that second part, but I don't feel like leaving yet, she's making it your decision whether things continue. Women aren't just waiting for the right moment, they're creating it. And men who understand how to read these signals never second guess a woman's interest again. 5, do you really think I'm that innocent? A woman's words are never just about what's on the surface. There's always another layer. When she says something like this, she's testing how you perceive her. She's seeing if you view her as just another nice girl, or if you understand that every woman has a deeper, more complex side to her personality. It's a playful statement, but beneath the surface, it's an indicator of her interest. Women don't try to prove their complexity to men they don't care about. If she's hinting at a side of herself that isn't obvious, it's because she wants you to see it. 6, I feel like I can be myself around you. Women don't open up to just anyone. They don't lower their guard unless they feel a strong sense of connection and trust. When a woman says this, she's acknowledging that you've reached a level with her that most men don't. She's giving you insight into her real personality, not the fake version she presents to the world. And here's something men don't realize. A woman can have attraction for a man without trust. But when trust and attraction combine, it creates an entirely different level of connection. That's when a woman starts seeing a man as more than just an option. 7, so, what now? This phrase might seem innocent, but it's loaded with meaning. When a woman asks, what now? She's acknowledging that there's unfinished business. She's hinting that something else is supposed to happen, and she's waiting for you to recognize it. The key to understanding this phrase is knowing that women rarely ask for something directly. Instead, they position it as an open-ended question that leaves the next step entirely up to you. Women use this phrase when they feel like the energy has built up enough for something more to happen, but they don't want to be the one to make it explicit. 8, you're really strong. This is one of those phrases that isn't just about physical strength. It's about presence. When a woman notices strength in a man, it means she's already started paying attention to him in a physical way. She's becoming aware of how you carry yourself, how you move, how you take up space. Women notice these things first on a subconscious level. And when they verbalize it, it means it's moved to a conscious level. Strength isn't just about muscles. It's about stability, control, and confidence. And when a woman acknowledges it, it means she's already thought about you in a different way. 9. I'm pretty sure you can get any girl you want. This is a psychological test disguised as a compliment. When a woman says this, she's looking for a reaction. She's analyzing how you see yourself, how you handle pressure, and whether or not you can stay composed. Attraction isn't just about how a man looks or what he says. It's about how he holds himself in high-pressure moments. When a woman says this, she's giving you a glimpse into how she sees you. And if she sees you as someone who has options, it means she's already considered you as one of hers. 10. You're different. A woman saying you're different means she's putting you in a separate category from other men. And here's the thing. Women don't say this to guys they aren't interested in. If you're just another guy, she won't bother distinguishing you at all. When a woman tells you that you're different, she's making an internal comparison. She's mentally contrasting you with other men in her past, and she's recognizing something that stands out. And when a woman starts separating you from the rest, it means she's seeing you as a man worth pursuing. Women speak in layers. Most men only hear the surface level words. But those who can read between the lines, those are the men who never have to wonder where they stand. Now that you know what these phrases really mean, you won't miss these signals again.